And Stacia, we now have a WFAA weather alert day. This is for Friday, specifically between 7 in the morning and 7 in the evening. Your impact is going to be the potential for wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Not everyone sees 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts. However, the high-end wind gusts could reach these levels. This is going to increase our fire danger to critical and extreme levels, and this will also bring in blowing dust. You want to make sure to avoid any outdoor burning, especially tomorrow when those winds are high. Use caution when driving, especially if you drive some tall vehicles. Think of RVs, think of those tall vans. Secure loose outdoor items and download the WFAA app so you can be updated as you are on the go. Fire weather alert is in place, a fire weather watch for all of North Texas. The red that you see there in Oklahoma, that's a red flag warning. We'll likely see the fire weather watch upgraded to a red flag warning. This just means that conditions are there for fires to not only start but spread quickly. This does not mean there are any active fires. The low humidity will be a big cause of that as well. The extreme fire danger will be across our northwestern counties, including Denton and Wise County, but critical fire danger in place for Tarrant and Dallas County. Again, low humidity, high wind gusts, and the dry dormant vegetation are to blame. We'll talk a little bit more about those temperatures climbing, not just today, but tomorrow as well, and a small potential for rain. That's all coming up in just a bit, Matt.
Okay, thanks for that update, Marielle.